The earnings concentration on Wall Street has reached historic extremes this year, with only a handful of companies now accounting for a large proportion of earnings in the S&P 500 and important sectors. In the next News and Numbers report, we decode how the market has never been more concentrated. Take a look. After a historic rally last year, cocoa prices are now heading for a record annual slump. Now, futures had surged nearly threefold in 2024, hitting a peak of almost $13,000 a ton. Extreme weather damage drops in the Ivory Coast and Ghana, which together supply over 50% of global cocoa. This year, prices have fallen about 50%, marking the steepest annual decline since records began in 1960. Yet, cocoa still trades around $6,000 a ton, well above historic averages. Despite the sharp drop in cocoa prices, chocolate makers say that retail prices will not come down quickly. Manufacturers are still working through high-cost cocoa inventories purchased during last year's rally. Many companies have changed recipes, reduced cocoa content, or have shrunk portion sizes to cope with soaring costs, changes that are difficult to reverse. Industry executives warn that producers are still absorbing margin losses from 2024 and are focused on rebuilding profitability. Major companies, including Nestle and Hershey, say that any price relief is unlikely before late 2026, citing the ongoing volatility in the cocoa market. Now, for consumers, this means higher chocolate prices are likely to persist even as cocoa becomes cheaper. In many markets, bars are already smaller and more expensive, and certain products can no longer be legally labeled as chocolate after recipe changes. Analysts warn that structural issues in West Africa's cocoa farming remain unresolved, keeping supply fragile. While promotional discounts may appear, producers say that broad price cuts are unlikely anytime soon. As a result, households already grappling with higher food costs may have to keep asking whether chocolate remains an affordable treat well into 2026.